Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can type double quotation. In the standard shortcut method, you need to hold down the shift key. This is the shift key. You need to hold down it and press the apostrophe single quote key, and here it is. You need to click both keys all together. Make sure on the standard United States and UK keyboard layout, this key is located directly to the left side of the enter key. And when you again press shift key and this key, it will insert the closing double quotation mark. So you can add space between double quotation mark. Moreover, if your physical keyboard lacks the standard quote key, or maybe it has been broken, for this you need to hold down this Alt key, and on the numeric side keypad you need to press 0147 and release this Alt key. Let me do it. Hold down the Alt key 0147 and release the Alt key. And again, if you hold down the Alt key and press 0148 and release the Alt key, this will insert the closing double quotation mark. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can type double quotation. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.